All right, guys, I just want to show you a low risk trade in the cryptocurrencies. And this happened a few days ago. This is the Ethereum crypto. And here's it's a good buy signal that happened last week. But you have it's 1, 2, 3 reversal. And if you've seen any of my other videos, you know that's my main thing. That's my main go-to. Here was a small one, a little 1, 2, 3, but this is the big one because it came up to the moving averages, pulled back, couldn't go any lower, and then broke back above that point there. And some people call it a W, where you go down, up, down, and then breaking the W, the middle. So to me, it's a 1, 2, 3 reversal. 1, 2, 3. It's above the moving averages when it breaks. It broke up, came back a little bit. I actually bought it on this day right here. I was waiting for at least one red candle. It came in. I went ahead and bought it. Glad I did. Making a little bit of money right now. Not much. I don't have a lot invested in it, but it's something I just want to play with. And Bitcoin kind of I got a Bitcoin a while back. I think it was back in May. Let me go over there and show you. I'll freeze it and get over on that chart real quick. All right, so this is the Bitcoin chart, and I sold it when it broke this low right here because this is reversal. It's 1, 2, 3. Broke that low, went on down as it's coming back up though now, but I went ahead and got out. I made some money on that one. I'd been in back over here somewhere. I can't remember exactly because I had it for a while. And so here's it. It's a good buy signal right now. Actually, you could have gotten that 1, 2, and 3, and then bought above that high right there. Or yesterday would have yesterday would have been a good buy signal because it drove up, pulled back to the moving averages, and then broke it again. So today you still get in pretty decently. So I think it's probably going to at least ride up somewhere up in here somewhere. If it doesn't break that, I don't know. I mean, nobody knows, but as long as you're on this side of the moving averages, you're pretty good to go. So just want to throw this out to you. The other day on Friday, I lost my $100 after the first 5-minute candle. Got in above the high. It broke it. Didn't continue up, so I was out. That's it. So that's the way it goes. And I will be back at it on Monday. So hopefully you'll tune in, and we'll see you then. Thank you.